5 words that changed the trajectory of yoga and Hinduism, and a rare copywriting lesson. That's what I'm going to share in this video. So stick with me till the end. I promise it would be totally worth it. Now, many of you may be aware of Swami Vivekananda's historic speech back in 1983. He spoke at the Parliament of World's Religion in Chicago. It's one of the most celebrated speeches. It made the West aware of yoga and earned the world's lost respect for Indian culture and Hinduism on a global stage. If there is one reason yoga turned into a global saturated market today, it's obviously because of Swami Vivekananda's speech in the 19th century. What many people also know is he started the speech uttering 5 words: Sisters and Brothers of America. The entire hall, packed with 7,000 people, that too from different religions, cultures, ethnicity, and background, clapped for a freaking 2 minutes non-stop. This weirdly dressed Swami Vivekananda got a standing ovation for just uttering 5 seemingly simple words. Can you fucking believe that? When many people try to explain the mystery, magic, and magnetism behind this unexplainable reaction from the crowd, they claim that he was the first person to address the audience as Sisters and Brothers of America. So he got the applause. Guess what? It's not true. This cigarette smoking monk wasn't the first person in the hall to say Sisters and Brothers of America. There were quite a few people who already began their speech with the same words. It's documented. I heard this from Ramakrishna Math in Chennai from Swami Gautam Mahananda Ji Maharaj himself. But how did Swami Vivekananda get such soul-stirring applause on the stage? Why does history remember only our big brother for saying Sisters and Brothers of America? How did Swami Vivekananda change the dynamics and trajectory of Hinduism with just 5 words? Now, here is my explanation for it. For other people, the words sisters and brothers were mere words. But for Swami Vivekananda, it was his life. Those words were an absolute truth for him. Those words were the true feeling he had for every single woman and man in the world. His life is a testimony to that fact. So when he uttered those words, it must have had a high vibrational emotional energy, because when you inject your true emotions, feelings, and energy into the words you speak, it moves people. Remember, there is no motion without emotion. Other than that, there is no other sane reason why the same words spoken by different people could have such a dramatic effect on the audience. Even the other day, I read on Quora about this incident, and someone mentioned how Swami Vivekananda mentioned sisters first instead of brothers, invoking the feminine energy. I got goosebumps. That's the power of Swami's purely divine energy, vibrational energy. Now, what's the copywriting lesson, you might ask? Yeah, here you go. The words you write should vibrate from your heart. The words you write should be filled with energy. The words you write should be soulful and truthful. Your audience should feel the words. Your audience should reverberate with your energy. Your audience should move to your emotions. When they do that, magic happens. Don't believe me? Ask the 9-figure copywriter Mark Peschketti. He's the only copywriter who lights fire in my belly every single time I hear him speak. I was listening to his contemplated VSL masterclass, and he was saying, when you respond to words with emotional energy, it has a transformative impact. Wow, that was a aha moment. That's when I remembered Swami Vivekananda had demonstrated this message to the world a century ago. So I had to share this rare copywriting lesson from India's one and only spiritual lion, Swami Vivekananda, who made the world look at India once again, with true respect and awe, with just 5 words. And thanks to Mark Peschketti for drilling down this lesson into my head, heart, and neurosystem with this amazing masterclass. Now, like and share this video if you found it valuable. Also, don't forget to share your comments below. And if you want more such interesting, unusual ginger tea stories on marketing, copywriting, and business life, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you can watch the videos instantly once it's uploaded. And if you need a copywriter who taps into the emotional, high vibrational energy to create a transformative impact for your business, feel free to DM me, email me, or connect with me on LinkedIn or Facebook. I will be back with another interesting video soon. Cheers.